Hello there. In this particular lecture, we are going to learn about how to render a list of items like names, post, or product using the JavaScript map method inside your React.js. Well, this is a very important concept, especially for the dynamic UIs. So let's go to our Visual Studio Code and understand that how we can render list using map in React.js. Let's go. So let's take an example of listing the name of the fruits with the help of the map method in your React.js. So for that, we will first create a list name fruits equals to, let's create a list here. And inside of it, I will write apple, comma, a banana. By the way, what is your favorite fruit? You can comment it in your comment section, right? Okay, fine. So this is your list. Inside the list, we are having three different fruit names, and I want to print the name of these fruits one by one in our web page, right? So for that, what we do, we just need to put a curly bracket. Inside the curly bracket, we can write our JavaScript code in the HTML part, right? In the return, we write our HTML, fine. And when we put a curly bracket, we can write the JavaScript also. So here I'm saying that you do one thing, that first, okay, let me show that unordered list. Inside of this, I want to put this JavaScript part. So let's take it out from here. Yeah. Now inside of this, I'm going to write that fruits dot map, right? Using the map method, you need to write the name of the list first, and then you write the name of the map. Map is your function, right? Now after map, you put a bracket. Inside of this, you again put a bracket, and you give uh, fruits, fine. Now the what is fruit? It is basically an item. You can write even anything, like let's say item. Let's name it item, comma, index, fine. So what are these two things? Well, these two things are in which item is indicating each element of this list, that is apple, banana, grapes, and index is indicating the index number of each element, right? Now after doing this, you simply need to put a arrow, and after this you put a parenthesis, and inside of this you write your code, that is, let's say list, and the list will show me what? List will show me, put a curly bracket here, and it will show me the item, whatever the item I'm getting from this map, right? This item. Now let's give it a key. The key says index, fine. Now if I go to my website, you can see I'm getting all different fruit names at once, fine, and in different line. How it is happening? Well, it is happening with the help of the map function, that I can render all the elements of the list in just one line of code, or a single time of written code, fine, and getting the different values based on all the elements of the list, fine. I hope you understood the concept this. And now let's do one more example, which is the list of users based on the array of objects. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create const users equals to a list. A list will include what? It will include the objects. The object says id is 1, fine, and the name should be Ali, and after that comma. Now again a object is needed, so let's copy it down, fine. Let's change the value as 2. Let's change the value as Piyush. Let's change the id as 3. Let's name the as Ria, right? So these three objects are inside this particular list, right? You can also call it as an array of object. Now I'm going to use it. For that, what I need to do is just simple, that let's say, let's name the name of the what name of the list, that is users, right? Now I'm mapping this user, and I'm saying that you do one thing, that whatever the information is here, uh, for this, first you need to remove this. We will write the user only, right? and we are getting the id and name from here. So for the index, or you can say the for the key of the list, I can use it like user.id, and for getting the element, the main name, for that what we do, user.name, right? So what is this user is doing? This user is rendering all these different object one by one from the list. Now if you go to the website, you can see I'm getting all the names here: Ali, Piyush, Riya, everything. Now you can write any number of objects, it will work same. You just need to write you just need to write the code once, and with the help of map function, you can render it the number of times the element are available inside the list. So this is how actually we actually use the map function in your list in the React.js. And this is all about today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will meet in the next video very soon with a fresh new topic. Till then, like and subscribe the channel. Goodbye.